Hi dear students, in this module we will discuss the topics refraction, lenses and the colors of light. Have you observed the path of light when it enters from one medium to another in daily life? Does it move along straight line or changes its direction? For example, when pencil partly immersed in water, it appears to be broken or bent to the observer. We know for a fact that the pencil is not bent at all. It just appears to be so. In this case, the light reaching observer from the portion of the pencil inside water seems to come from a different direction compared to the part above water. This makes the pencil appears to be displaced at the interface. When a light ray travels from one optical medium to another, it suffers a change of direction at the surface of separation of the two media. This is known as refraction. In other words, the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called refraction of light. Next, let's discuss about lenses. Lenses are transparent material bounded by two surfaces in which one of them is spherical and the other either spherical or plane. Two common types of lenses are biconvex or convex lens and biconcave or concave lens. Each one is bounded by two transparent spherical surfaces. Hence, the word bi is used. It means two. In a biconvex lens, the two spherical surfaces are curved inwards and in biconcave lens, they are curved outwards. A convex lens is thicker at the center and thinner at the edges, while the concave lens is thicker at the edges and thinner at the center. We use lenses in binoculars, magnifying glasses, etc. The main function of the lens is to refract the light in same pattern. Let's discuss about convex lens. Convex lens bends the light rays from a point object in such a way that after refraction, all these rays converge at a single point. And this is the point where the image of the point object is formed. This point is called focus point. If we were to place a screen here at this location, then the image will be formed on that screen. Since the convex lens converges all the light rays at a single point, we also call it converging lens. Next, concave lens. It refracts the light in a similar way. A ray of light after entering the concave lens bends towards the normal, and when it again enters the air, it bends away from the normal. If the rays from a point object are incident on a concave lens, then after refraction, they do not converge at a single point. These refracted rays diverge. If we were to extend all these rays backward, they all meet at this point. The virtual image is formed at this point. Concave lens diverges all the rays coming from a point. Hence, it is called a diverging lens. Next, let's discuss about the colors of light. A rainbow is an optical phenomenon formed when visible light is scattered by airborne water droplets such as rain, mist, dew, etc. We see sunlight as white light, but it's made up of a spectrum of different colors, each having a different wavelength. As water is denser than air, light passing from the air into water droplet slows down and changes direction. This process is called refraction. The different wavelengths slow by different amounts, with the shorter blue and violet wavelengths refracting more and going through an increased change of direction than the longer red wavelengths of light. This splits into its component colors by dispersion. If you are standing in the right place, you will see the dispersed sunlight reflected back towards you as a colorful curved rainbow. Beyond the 7 well-known colors, a rainbow is actually made up of a continuous spectrum of colors, including those that the human eye cannot see. Thank you, dear students. The lesson is completed.